right, here we go on Boardwalk Bullet. Wow, what a great ride this is. Oh my goodness, I'm telling you, Boardwalk Bullet never fails to put a smile on my face. It is one of the greatest wooden coasters ever built, and more people seriously need to know about this. So if you ever want to come down to Texas, do not skip coming to Houston. Come here to Kemah and ride the Boardwalk Bullet wooden coaster, because it is one of the absolute greatest, and I mean one of the greatest rides ever built on the planet. Like, I'm telling you, I give this 2 thumbs up.
Please push down and pull up on your left bar and then make the right side.
Woo!